Hello everyone. Today I have just brought an amazing course for you people. It's Sony Vegas Pro 10. It's one of the most amazing course that can help you to edit your videos, and of course you can do the animations, video editing, and a lot of other things. And the course is in 10 parts, and you can completely understand from the beginning to the advanced level. And the course is 100% free, and the course is launched by JAHASOFT.pk. It's one of my company situated in Pakistan. So now let's take a look at the Sony Vegas Pro. You can just read the article right here, and of course you can directly watch the course, or you can download, and after downloading you can watch that offline in your PC or mobile device or anything that you want. Now this is the download option. If you just click this, it will go to the mediafire.com, and you can see that it's 1.72 GB, which is almost 2 GB course. When you just click right here, it will take you to the download option right here. If you click the download, it will start the downloading here. So I have already downloaded the course. I don't want, so I'll just cancel it right here. And right here you can watch every course right here. Of course I must tell you that this course is in Urdu and Hindi, and it's not in English. It's specially designed for the people of Asia, Pakistan, India, and other countries that understands Hindi and Urdu. Now you can check out all the parts right here, and of course this is the download button here. If you need the course, you can download it right here without any problem, without any copyright. Of course you can use it 100% free. If you need any question, you can just comment down. I will be very glad to answer your queries. Thank you so much.